It's a pleasure to have you join me on this virtual journey. Welcome. Thank you for choosing our video on Roberta Freeman. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Roberta Freeman is an American singer, best known for her work with Guns N' Roses, Pink Floyd, Cinderella, Engelbert Humperdinck, and Mary Wilson's Supremes. According to Rolling Stone, Freeman was one of 6 women brought into the madness of GN'R for their marathon Use Your Illusion tour. Fellow female musicians include Traci Amos, Cece Worrall, Lisa Maxwell, and King and Diane Jones. All were brought on board in the early stages of the Use Your Illusion tour in the summer of 1991, and they stuck around until it wrapped up 2 years later. As touring members, they played a huge role in shaping the band's sound during their commercial peak. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of vocal work and examining its broader implications. In 2022, Freeman performed with John Batista on We Are, which won a Grammy Award for Album of the Year during the 64th Annual Grammy Awards. In 2021, Freeman released a cover of Pink Floyd's Wish You Were Here, featuring classless acts Derek Day, Guns N' Roses, Teddy Andridis, Jane's Addictions, Stephen Perkins, and Gwen Stefani's Derek Frank. The accompanying music video was filmed at the Tourbillon Ballroom in Los Angeles, CA, and shot by award-winning cinematographer Michael Franks. Freeman performed at the 2022 90th Annual Hollywood Christmas Parade supporting Marine Toys for Tots with the Jet Velocity Holiday All-Star Band led by Jason Bibbs, Peter Criss, and Janie Chadwick, Joe Cocker, and ECOTONIC, featuring Teddy Andridis, Guns N' Roses, Glenn Sobel, Alice Cooper, Britt Lightning Vixen, Mitch Perry, Cher and Edgar Winter, and Adam Curry Candlebox. Freeman serves as vocal director, arranger, and choreographer with Scott Page's all-star celebrity rockstar Pink Floyd tribute band, ThinkExp, featuring Stephen Perkins, Jane's Addiction, Norwood Fisher Fishbone, Kenny Olsen Kid Rock, Derek Day Classless Act, Tony Franklin The Firm, Kitten Croy Elvis Costello, Melanie Taylor Betty Midler, and Carol Hatchett, and the voices Will Champlin Arca Kilwell, son of former Chicago member Bill Champlin. Prepare yourself for an in-depth analysis of personal life in this section. A native of New York City, Freeman spent her early childhood in Brooklyn, then later moved to Co-op City with her family. She was the second of 2 girls born to African-American father, James Freeman, and Russian-Jewish mother, Gertrude. Her sister is award-winning children's book illustrator, Laura Freeman. In this section, we'll be peeling back the layers of associated acts to reveal its true essence. Annabella Elwyn Bee Gees, Bernard Fowler, Black Veiled Brides, Cinderella, Engelbert Humperdinck, Enrique Bunbury, Foxy Shazam, Fred Payne, Gavin, Christopher Gin, Wigmore, Gilby Clark, Guns N' Roses, Hanny L. Katib, Jade Sterling, Wolf Jr., Jerry Harrison, Joe Cocker, John Mellencamp, Johnny Kemp, Mark Colley, Mary Wilson, Michael Abaldini, Nick Waterhouse, Pink Floyd, Brit Floyd, The Pretty Reckless, RDG, LDGRN, Secondhand Serenade, Stevie Souls, Sugar Ray Rayford, ThinkExp, Weezer. Let's now turn our gaze towards ThinkExp 2018 and explore the fascinating connections it has to offer. ThinkExp 2018 Great Gig Eye in the Sky Live at the LA Wisdom 2019 Great Gig Eye in the Sky Live at the LA Wisdom 2019 Great Gig Eye in the Sky Live at the LA Wisdom Great Gig Eye in the Sky Live at the LA Wisdom Money January 31st, 2020. As we transition, let's shed light on Nick Waterhouse 2014 and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. Nick Waterhouse 2014 Holly promo full-length LP Morning Becomes Eclectic Live on KCRW Rec the Rod official video foot. Danny Trejo. In this segment, we'll be unraveling the complexities of Weezer 2019 and exploring its multifaceted nature. Weezer Earth Black Album Crush Music Atlantic Records Count Knock the Hustle Wikipedia Album Credit Count Knock the Hustle Official Music Video. As we progress, let's shine a spotlight on Annabella Elwyn's Bow Wow Wow 2019 and examine its intricate interplay within our topic. Annabella Elwyn's Bow Wow Wow, E Want Candy Live in LA May 25th, 2019. Let's now turn our attention to Cece Worrall 2019 and uncover the fascinating insights it brings to the table. Cece Worrall somebody save me 40 below records you and I somebody save me's it just me dark night of the soul. Moving ahead, let's uncover the hidden gems within Nasty Housewives and discover their significance. Nasty Housewives Shades of Blue Alternative Facts Lead Vox Roberta Freeman Legend of Narcissus Overrated Not My President Massacre at Bowling Green Mar-a-Lago. Now, let's shift our focus to Brit Floyd and embark on an intellectual exploration of its various dimensions. Brit Floyd, our official band website, Great Gig in the Sky. In the next segment, we'll be exploring the Pretty Reckless 2017 and its implications for our subject matter. The Pretty Reckless performance on Conan TBS February 28, 2017. Brace yourself for a deep dive into Engelbert Humperdinck as we explore its impact and relevance in our evolving narrative. Engelbert Humperdinck. Prepare yourself for an in-depth analysis of International Release Tour in this section. International Release Tour Quando Tel Aviv January 12, 2011 Concert Review Manila. Category Year of Birth Missing Living People Category Living People Category American Women Singers Category Singers from New York State Category American Session Musicians Category Century American Women. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments section.